So I just got out of the office, and today is Wednesday and it's already 6:10 p.m. I just got a text from Ray inviting me for fishing. So I cannot say no to fishing even if it's weekdays. I'm just going to my apartment to get my fishing gear. After that, I should be on my way. We're on our way to Blacks Harbour shore fishing. Si Ray. Padong may Kuya Rod first.
It's not your jeans, no, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got.
Mobile or work?
Mobile.
Calling Rod Gutierrez. Mobile.
Oh, hindi na pala.
Nandito na si Kuya Rod, sunodin namin.
Great music from Shawn Mendes. We'll hear Len and Stella as well. Just
turn right onto the New Brunswick 1 West Ramp.
Nakahuli na malaki,
New Brunswick
Ay, oh, yung ano.
yung taga. Wala akong alam na lalagay dyan. Nakita mo dyan nilagay yung nakatayo mo.
Ay, yan yung at least na nabasa ko.
Sa Northville.
To show you guys so how it looks like here. It's high tide. So we need to set it up first. I already set it up at home, and I just need to connect it here. So it's freaking cold out here. As you can see, it's fogging. Yeah, it is cold. So same exact story as the last time. Casted and didn't catch any. Now we're moving that part because there's bigger chances of getting fish there. We tried it last time and yeah, we caught a lot. So we're trying it again. Kuya Rod is the expert for that. It's right there.
6.5 hours later.
Okay guys, so after like more than an hour of fishing, and it's high tide as you can see, but it's so foggy, we didn't caught anything. So we are moving to a different location now. We're going to Beaver Island. And yeah, hopefully we get something there. Wagid bisag seaweed. Bay, hapit sa tag. Makahapit, makaagi man tag tindahan sa.
Ano man?
Bay tag makaon-kaon gamay bay, murag gutom. Katong gasolinahan nato na again.
They came down to see you, or they just...
No.
Now they serve right on. Inom ka muna tubig, oh.
Sige lang.
Then you would be sinap.
6.5 hours later.
So this is just a quick overvoice of this video because I was not talking loud here, and I noticed that the audio is really bad. So we stayed here for about 30 minutes to an hour, and they didn't caught anything. I caught two, but they're small, less than 10 inches. Yeah, we decided to go home since it's already around 10 p.m. Yeah, that's how fishing is. It really requires a lot of patience because you don't know what you will get, and it's not a guarantee that you can get anything. It's the same with life. Nothing is certain. So just keep doing what you need to do and hope for the best. Thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Bye bye.